Hey guys, I wanted to do a video over the binomial probability distribution functions on the calculator. Your textbook isn't real specific on these, and it's very useful, so I wanted to give you some more information. Okay, so if you look on the paper I have in front of me, just a couple of concepts real quick. If we're talking about the probability that our binomial random variable is equal to some number, okay, so the probability that x is equal to x, we're going to use the binomial probability distribution function. That's this one right here. And the call sequence is you're going to put in the number of trials, comma, the probability of success, comma, and then the number of successes that you want to know about. So this is going to tell us the probability that there's exactly r successes out of n. Let me show you how to get to that on your calculator. Alright, so back up a little bit here. So on your calculator, to find that, go to this button right here. It's VARS, and above it you see DISTR for distribution. So hit the second key and then the VARS key. You're going to see this screen pop up. We want to scroll all the way down to the binomial distribution. So first we're going to do the binomial probability distribution function, binom PDF. This tells us the probability of exactly some number of successes. So for example, as I've got it written down here, if n is equal to 10, so we have 10 trials, and the probability of success is 0.4, then what is the probability that we have 5 successes? Now, you have a formula for doing this, but your calculator will do it for you. So, binom PDF, the number of trials is 10, probability of success is 0.4, and we want to know the probability of exactly 5 successes. Binom PDF, 10, 0.4, 5. Hit enter. And it gives you the probability. Great, right? Okay, now, the other function that you may have seen in there is the cumulative distribution function, binom CDF. This tells you the probability that our random variable is less than or equal to some number. So this you would use on a problem where what is the probability of having at most 8 successes? So that function, binom CDF, you find at the same location. Go back to where we were a second, and then the VARS key. This time we're going to choose binom CDF. Remember, this one tells us at most, so it has the same call sequence, 10.4. And this one we were looking for at most 8. So that gives us up to 8 successes. Now this is going to save us a lot of calculation because we would have had to calculate probability of no successes plus the probability of 1 plus the probability of 2 all the way up to 8. Very efficient. And it gives us that probability. Okay? Alright, I'm going to close this video and then I'm going to come back and set up another one where we go through a problem from your homework. So this just gives you the basic call sequences, and then we're going to go through a problem off of the homework. So go to the next one.